Every AI model says they are the best AI out there. We are the smartest, we are the future, we are this, we are that. Stop. Today we'll be testing out and figuring out which is the best AI of 2025 and giving them the crown for it. No, not based on any numbers or benchmarks, but actual responses side by side with the same prompt. We'll be doing that with the help of AI Fiesta. It's very good. It doesn't just have, let us chat with Gemini or ChatGPT, but even the underdogs like Kimi or Seedream or even DeepSeek. You might not have heard about them. You might have also, but they are also very good. So today we'll be giving all of them a chance and checking out which is the best AI tool out there with the help of AI Fiesta. Thank you so much because they have all the AIs out there. It's actually very cool. Anyway, let's start the battle royale. Okay, so this is the AI Fiesta platform. We have GPT-5, Gemini, DeepSeek, Perplexity, Claude, Grok, Seedream I've turned off because it's an image model, and then Kimi. We have all these AI tools which we'll be checking side by side right now. Now the first prompt is, turn this boring sentence into a cinematic dialogue. What's the dialogue? I opened the door. Let's see what all the AI models respond. So we have everything thinking. These are all thinking models, so I can't wait for the response. Oh gosh. Okay, ChatGPT has responded. The latch whispered in my hand as the world on the other side of the door began to breathe. Door breathing. Anyway, next is Gemini. With a trembling hand, I turned the knob and whispered to the shadows. The barrier is down. Whatever is waiting on the other side is a problem now. Probably everyone is going to quit watching this video, right? Seeing my acting. Put down in the comments which one you think is best. I'm not going to give which one I feel. I think I'm going to go with Perplexity. I think it has more of a dialogue, reaches for the handle, hesitates each time. The door opens, silver light comes, like silver light and all that. Anyway, I think I'm going to give the first round to Perplexity. Now, time for the next round. Now, the next round is all about something which AI is not at all good at doing. Logic and reasoning. My question is, give me a scenario that makes all birds can fly statement false. No bird names are allowed. Let's see how all these AI tools respond. Oh god. By the way, we can turn on web search, so it will be better with the responses, but we're just going to see how it thinks without giving it access to the internet. Okay, GPT-5 has responded. A living creature that is clearly a bird in every way. Feathers, break, lays eggs, build nests, has wings, but due to a birth defect, its wings never fully developed. It can never leave the ground. Okay, that can falsify the statement that all birds can fly because it might not have wings, right? Okay. Consider a scenario where a feathered creature has evolved to swim in the swim. No, Gemini is like making things up. I didn't want it to make things up. Next is a bird with broken wings sitting on the ground, unable to take flight. That's a good answer. It's very short. I like Perplexity here. DeepSeek. One scenario is a bird that evolves into the isolated environment with no nature predator caused its wings to become versatile and rend. Okay, basically what DeepSeek is saying is from the time it's born, it never had to fly. So that's it. So in the future, it will not be able to fly. Claude. A bird with an injured or clipped wings cannot fly. Claude is like straight up. That's it. Okay, let's see Grok. Imagine a large heavy bird with tiny wings that run across bar. Grok is being clever. It's like, what if a bird is not able to fly because it's too heavy and can't carry itself? Is that even true? Is it possible? Okay. Next, Kimi. A bird that spends its whole life on the ground, using its wing only to run faster. I mean, Kimi is smart here, but like it's explaining it way simpler than what DeepSeek did. They're doing the same thing. But I don't like Kimi's response because that is not practically possible. I think every bird will learn to fly once they are born, right? Right? Hopefully. Okay. Anyway, I feel from all of this is the best response that is short and direct. I think I'll give it to Claude, right? Okay, now this round is about coding. Now, don't skip this even if you're not a coder. If you want to bring an app to life, this is your way. If you have an awesome idea, this is your way to bring it to real life. Now, I'm going to test out which is the best model to do this by this question. Recreate the full YouTube UI for me. Oh god, is it even going to be good? I'm just going to add this too. Do the full code for me. Let's see what it does, shall we? Now it's going to give a lot of responses and it's so fast. I don't understand how this AI is so fast. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run these codes and I'm going to show you which one actually gave the best output. So first, let's take ChatGPT. Now I'll see you after I do this. Finally done running all this code. As you can see, I have all of them prepared here. So yeah, from Kimi to ChatGPT, let's get started. The first one is ChatGPT, no comments, no videos. So this is a YouTube with no videos, cool. But this does kinda look, I guess it tried. We'll give it marks for trying, right? Next is Gemini. Not bad, but no thumbnails. Where is the profile icon? Has an E that actually looks like a normal profile icon. Not bad. Gemini is actually not bad. Not bad. Okay, moving ahead. Okay, next we have DeepSeek, no words. Where is the icons? Where? Okay, so the code I actually did connect style, CSS and all those kind of things, guys. You can check the code here. So it's not like I didn't do anything wrong. I just copy pasted and made sure it was working. So this didn't work. This is Perplexity. Not bad. It couldn't find the real picture, so it put emojis everywhere. Kiddish, but hey, you can actually click and it plays videos. And it has views 1 week ago. This is not how it actually looks, but cool. Not bad, not bad. This moves ahead. Next we have, Claude is actually not bad. It actually has thumbnails. It put timings just like the original one. Explore tab, gaming. This actually works. User, this, that. Not bad. Actually, it's pretty much working. You can't play the videos, but I think this replicated the main website very well. Goes to the first. Then we have Grok. No words. Last. At least it's not as bad as DeepSeek. Next we have Kimi. Kimi is actually not bad. This is actually cool that Kimi actually tried to do something. I've never heard Kimi that much. So, okay. So here is our final rating. This is what my rating is. First, Claude. Second, Gemini. Third, Perplexity. Fourth, Kimi. Fifth, ChatGPT. Sixth, Grok. And seventh, DeepSeek. Hit a like for all that hard work of running all these AI tools, but AI Fiesta really helped me here, or I would have had to try the same prompt on all the AIs, get an output. It would have been so much work. So thank you AI Fiesta for letting me do this side by side. Next one is researching or web search. This is useful for particularly everyone. See, from students to founders, everyone needs to search online to find info, right? Now, to get the best output, it's best to search on all the models from Gemini to ChatGPT, so you know that it's not giving you wrong info. So let's do exactly that. So I just pasted in what I'm going to ask and web search on. Basically, tell me who the AI kid of India is and 5 surprising facts about him, which I totally don't know who it is. RaultheRockstar, cool, is known as the AI kid of India, Kerala, who's already building blah 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 blah. He built his first robot, MeBot, yes, taught that much students. He's an AI company, AIRM Technologies. Age, he has created more than 10 AI tools. Cool, but is that surprising facts? I think, okay, wait, balancing school even while managing a, that is, okay, Gemini actually said RaultheRockstar, obviously, but he said 12, global educator, but he also said high value founders, but he also says school and business, he manages both. Other AIs has not said that I have school also, so that is a good thing. Project 47X, nice, okay. All of them are kind of okay. I guess, which one is the best? All of them are saying the same thing. I think I would do this. For a more in-depth answer, I would go for Claude, okay? For a very short answer, for nitpicking, understanding, I would go for Kimi AI. Why is Kimi winning all of this? Wow. Okay, so the winner of this round is Kimi. Thanks to AI Fiesta that we knew that this kind of tool exists and we can try something like this. Now, AI Fiesta has a lot of other things too, guys. Rather than just comparing, text models, we can also generate pictures. So there is NanoBanana, GPT and Seedream. Okay, I got an idea at what we should create a picture of. Generate a futuristic Indian city in 2050. Let's try that. Let's check out for pictures. Oh, NanoBanana generated. It's actually very fast, but doesn't look like Indian city, does it? There's not a lot of India there. Flowers. I don't know. Let's see what GPT-5 and Seedream also generates. I am a fan of Seedream. You guys do know that, right? Now, there is also avatars in AI Fiesta. That's a very cool part. So look at this. I can start a chat with Albert Einstein, APJ Abdul Kalam, lot of people, including Mahatma Gandhi ji. Let's take Albert Einstein. I'm going to ask Albert Einstein something. What are we going to ask Albert Einstein? One line of advice for creators in 2025. I don't know if he'll know about YouTube and all. Let's see. Creators in 2025. I would say stay curious, embrace imagination over mere knowledge, and always build with sense of responsibility towards humanity. Sounds very much like what Albert Einstein would say. Avatars is very cool, which not of other, I think, AI tools have. You can talk to it, just have fun, get good responses. Even there is projects. So projects are kind of like just made for that tool. For example, just for YouTube, I would have projects. A project basically with all my YouTube scripts. So ChatGPT or any other AI tool I want can generate similar scripts for me based on all the scripts I've given it before. So I can make it act like someone. That is projects. Okay, so like I always say, Seedream did the best one. Like NanoBanana doesn't know India or what. Like, okay, there are few things India related, but not as India in 2050. This could be any place, even China if you want. But guess what Seedream generated? It's actually so cool. A person saree and all, but there is gardens, there is people in kurta and stuff. I still feel that would be real after a few years. But look at I think, is that a temple or a mosque? Like it looks very cool. Like it has that Indian culture a lot. And then there is GPT-4 one. The idea is very good, the thinking, but the picture I think could be better, right? Like it's not as good quality as Gemini. Seedream is, I think, in the middle. As always, I like Seedream. Anyway, I just want to say one last thing. Let's go to the outro. Now, if you want me to do another challenge with the best image models of 2025, please do tell me. We can do some very cool ideas. I have a lot of ideas, not just one random prompt. But I think we got a good conclusion that every model has its own good things and bad things. Not one is the best, not one is the smartest, not one deserves the crown, even though we have for these right now. It's up to you to use the model based on what you want it for. Now, the best way to do it is AI Fiesta. Now, you might not always know, right, which model to use for what situation. So there is something known as Super Fiesta in AI Fiesta where you don't have any other models, as you can see, but if you type it a question, it will automatically find the best answer for you related to your question. That is what will be needed, I think, in the future, because not one model is good for everything, guys. So an AI to tell which AI gives you the best output. That's very cool. And I also feel AI Fiesta is way cheaper. Normally an AI like ChatGPT costs $20. A lot of other tools cost $20 to $30. But I think AI Fiesta is offering it at what? 1/20th of the price. So it's very cheaper. And guess what? AI Fiesta is having a Black Friday sale right now, which is very cool. Already it's very cheap and more offer on top of that. Normally it costs $144, I think. Now it is only $99 for a full year of subscription. Guys, ChatGPT costs $20 a month. 20 into 12 is a lot of money. So $99 for all Grok, ChatGPT, Gemini, Seedream, for the image model, text model, everything. I feel it's pretty good price that you're getting that for. So check out AI Fiesta. If you want to try out all the models, that's the best place. That's it from my side. You are watching Raul the Rockstar, and I am signing out.